Hello everyone. Varsasi, Rizvanasi, Purnimasi, Annyeonghaseyo 여러분. Today I'm going to start chapter 4. May Annyeonghaseyo. So your chapter 4 is Mulgon Sagi L. So look here carefully. So today I'm going to start chapter 4. So your chapter 4 is Mulgon Sagi L. What is the meaning of Mulgon here, Purnimasi? Do you know?
Things.
What is the meaning of Mulgon? Very good, things. But good. What is Sagi? So in this Sagi, there is one verb, one action verb, that is Sada. Sada. What is the meaning of Sada? Sada means to buy. Very good, Purnimasi. So as you know that while writing a verb, we have to omit this da. The remaining one is sa. And this gi is one grammar pattern. So when you want to convert a verb into a noun, then you have to add this gi. Now sagi, that means buying. So buying goods, buying things, one. That is Mulgon Sagi Il. So this is your chapter 4. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes,
Okay. Now open page number 74. Everyone. So today I'm going to do listening section, Korean listening section. Hangugo Thutki. Okay, so question number 4. Question number 1. So in page number 74, there are 3 questions, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to start question number 1. So question number 1. Yojaga Mosal Sayo, Thaumal Chal Thitko, Mannan Gosal Kuruseo. What is the meaning of Yoja here, Rizvanasi? Yoja?
Woman.
Yes, very good. So Yojaga Mosal Sayo. What is moth here, Varshasi? What is moth?
What?
Yes, and this is object particle. So Yojaga Mosal Sayo. Sada means to buy.
Yes, sir.
So here is Ayo ending, Sayo. That means what does the woman buy? Question mark. Thaumal Chal Thitko, Mannan Gosal Kuruseo. That means listen carefully and choose the correct answer. So in this question number 1, I will play one audio track. Please listen the audio track, and while listening the audio track, you have to choose the correct answer. So there are 2 options given here. Okay, so can you play the audio track, everyone? Rizvanasi,
Yes, sir.
Varsasi, Purnimasi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen. Track number 37. Listen this track, everyone.
듣고 말하기. 1번.
1번, first one.
여자가 무엇을 사요? 다음을 잘 듣고 맞는 것을 고르세요.
무엇을 사요?
펜을 사요.
펜은 얼마예요?
700원이에요.
Chill back one year. Which one? First one or second one?
First one.
First one.
First one.
Purnimasi, which one?
701, the first one.
Very good. Excellent. Well done. Chill back one year. What is chill? Chill means 7 and back means 100. That means 700 won
Big
euro.
one.
And won is the currency of South Korea. Chill back 1 euro. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now question number 2. Namjaga Muasal Sayo. Namjaga Muasal Sayo Thaumal Chal Tutko Mannan Gosal Kuruseo. What is the meaning of Namja here in English? Varshasi, what is Namja here?
Mine.
Can you repeat once again?
Mine.
Very good. So Namjaga Muasal Sayo. Rizvanasi, translate into English. Come on.
What does the
Namjaga
man
Muasal
buy?
Sayo. Very good. So Thaumal Chal Thitko Mannan Gosal Kuruseo. Same question. In this question, once again, I'll play one audio track. So while listening the audio track, you have to choose the correct answer. So there are 2 options given here. So can I play audio track?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Track number 38. Listen.
남자가 무엇을 사요? 다음을 잘 듣고 맞는 것을 고르세요. 무엇을 사요?
우유를 사요.
우유는 얼마예요?
2,350원이에요.
Which one? First one or second one?
Second
Second
one.
one.
So what is the meaning of uyu here?
Milk.
Milk.
Very good. Now third one. Namjaga muasal sayo. Same question like question number 2. So Namjaga muasal sayo thaumal chal fitko mannan gosal khurusyo. Same question. So now listen to this audio track. Track number 39. Everyone,
3번.
listen carefully.
남자가 무엇을 사요? 다음을 잘 듣고 맞는 것을 고르세요.
사과는 얼마예요?
Sagwa.
1,500원이에요.
오렌지는 얼마예요?
1,800원이에요.
사과를 주세요.
Which one? First one, second one, or third one? So there are 3 options given here.
First one,
First one,
sir.
sir.
First one.
First one, obviously. So Sagwa will choose you. That means, please
Apple.
give me apple.
Apple.
First one is correct one. Okay, so listening section is completed here. So now open page number 75, everyone. This is Marhagi. Igosanan Marhagi Yeo. So now I'm going to start Marhagi speaking section. So page number 75, question number 4. Listen carefully. Thaum Kurimal Fogo, Chinguwa Mulgonal, Sagu Phada Fuseo. What is the meaning of Thaum here? Thaum means next.
Next.
What is Kurim? Purnima is
Picture.
Kurim?
Picture.
Picture. Very good. And this is object particle. So Thaum Kurimal Fogo. Fogo, see and. Chinguwa. What is the meaning of Chingu? Chingu means friend. And what is the meaning of Wa?
With.
The meaning of this wa is with. Chinguwa, with friend. Mulgonal Sagu Phada Fosio. That means look at the next picture and buy and sell things with your friend. Got it, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Rizwana
Yes,
si,
sir.
Varsha si, Purnima si. In
Yeah,
this
yes,
question,
okay.
one person will become Sunnim, one person will become Chomwan. What is the meaning of Sunnim here? What is the meaning of Sunnim?
Customer.
Customer.
Very good. Customer. What is the meaning of Chomwan?
Shopkeeper.
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 Very good. Shopkeeper. So in this question, Rizwana will become Sunnim and Varsha will become Chomwan. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So, Thavarul Sija Khaseo. So in this question, there are 2 options given here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So number first one is Pang and number second one is Mul.
Yes, sir.
Yogi e Pang Hago Muri eo. So there are 2 options. There are 2 objects given here.
Yes, sir.
That are bread and water.
Water.
That is Mul. Okay. So come on, Sija Khaseo. Thavarul Sija Khaseo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 무엇을 들을까요?
방 얼마예요?
Chin.
What is the price of Pang? 1700. That means
1700.
Sean Silback won.
Sean Chilbeck.
Yes.
Sean Chilbeck won EAO.
Won. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir.
Continue.
Sean Chilbeck won EAO.
Ne.
물은 얼마예요?
Very good. Burden Alma Eo. Yes.
Palbeck won EAO.
Very good. Well done, Varshasi. Yes, it's correct. Halback won EAO. Ne.
방에 주세요.
Ne.
Rizwana si Thasi Anbun Mare Puseo. Can you repeat once
Pangal.
again? Please repeat once again.
방을 주세요.
Pangal. It's not Pangal. Pangal. So this
Okay,
Pang is our
Pangal.
object now. So Pangal Chuseo. What is Chuda? Chuda means to give. So while writing a
Give.
verb, as you know that we have to omit the star, remaining one is true. And this Seo is one grammar pattern that, and the meaning of this Seo is please. That means please give me a bread. Pangal Chuseo. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well done. So question number 4 is completed here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this speaking section is completed there. Now open page number 76. Please open page number 76, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Open. Rizwana
Yes.
see, Habu, Varsha see, Purnima see.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
Pulkit.
see, this is LK section. LK. What is LK here? Reading section. So I'm going to read question number first. Thaume Yongsu Jungle Chal Ilko Mannen Gosel Khuruseo. What is the meaning of Thaum again? Thaum means next. And this
Next.
is apostrophe S that will become A after a noun. So Thaume. Yongsu Jung. What is Yongsu Jung here? Yongsu Jung. Purnima see. What is Yongsu Jung? What is the meaning of Yongsu Jung? Yongsu Jung. What is the meaning of Yongsu Jung? This word?
Things or
Receipt. It's receipt.
sorry. Yeah, receipt.
So Thaume Yongsu Jungle Chal Ilko. It's okay, Purnima. So listen here. So Thaume
Yeah.
Yongsu Jungle Chal Ilko. Mannan Gosel Khuruseo. So what is the meaning of Thaum? Thaum is next, and this O is
Next.
apostrophe S that will become A. The sound of this O will become A. Okay.
Yeah.
That means Thaume Yongsu Jungle Chal Ilko Mannan Gosel Khuruseo. So come on, translate into English. Come on, Varshashi.
Read the receipt and answer the question.
Yes, that means please read this receipt carefully and answer the questions. So there is one receipt here. Okay, so Rizwana see, come on, read this receipt. So there is one word written there. Come on, read that word first.
Yes, sir. 한국 하나케 슈퍼마켓. 한국의 슈퍼마켓.
Very good, well done. Hanguk Supermarket. What is the meaning of Hanguk Supermarket?
Korean
Supermarket.
supermarket.
Well done, Rizwana see. So in this receipt, there are three objects written here. Mul, Orange, Pan. So what is the price of mul here? O back 1. Orange, Oranginan, Ku back 1. Pang, Pangan, Chon Sam back 1. So Hamge, Ichon, Chill back 1. Arasso, Yorban. Now
Arasso,
question
sir.
number first. Murun Olmaeo. What is the price of mul? Mul means water.
Take one.
Ubek one.
Well done, Purnima and Rizwana. Well done. Char hastayo. Question number 2. So question number 2, Varsha will tell. Pangan Olmaeo. So Varsha, see, what is the correct answer? Pangan Olmaeo.
Third one, sir.
Kubak 1, Animyon Kubak 1, Animyon Chon Sambak 1.
Chon Songbek 1. Chon Songbek 1.
Ne, char hastayo. Yes, it's correct. Now question number 2. Thaumal chal ilko mannan thabe pyu hasyo. That means please read carefully and take the correct answers. Okay, so for that we have to read small memo, small notes here. So listen carefully. Sujin siege. To Sujin. Anyang haseo. That means hello. Onal sijange khaseo. Sagwaga sayo. Sagwaga obak wanyo. Now question number first.
Okay.
Onal sagwaga sayo ne animyon anyo. Which one? Onu.
Ne.
Very good, well done. Question number 2. Sagwanan obak wanyo. Varshashi.
Ne.
Sagwaga obak wanyo.
Ne.
Charesayo. So completed. So that's it for today. So now write your homework. Do question number 3 and 4 of page number 77. Okay?
Yes,
Got it,
sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now open page number
Yeah, I speak.
77. In this page number, there is small box like this. Got it?
Yes,
Sky blue
sir.
box. So this is Sa Oviva Kyoyon. That means new vocabulary and expressions. So please write first one. Sada. Sada means to buy. This is one action verb. Next vocabulary. Next obi. Muasal Turil Kayo. What do I give you? This is one expression. Muasal Turil Kayo. Next one. Next one is Chuda. Chuda means to give. Got it?
Yes,
Next
sir.
vocab. Next vocab is Sada. Sada means to be cheap. Sasta. Written everyone?
Yeah.
Next one. Next one is ikta. This is one action verb. That means to read. Ikta. Now next one. Rizwana, read next vocab after ikta.
Olmaeo.
Well done, Rizwana. Olmayeo. What is the
How
meaning of
much?
olmayeo? Purnimasi?
How much?
Very good. Well done, Purnimasi. Next one. Varsha, read next vocab.
Hangugo.
Hangugo. Well done. Excellent. Hangugo means Korean language.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, chapter 4 completed here. So that's it for today. I'm going to over the session.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
감사합니다,
Yeah,
여러분.
okay.
안녕히 계세요.
감사합니다. 안녕히
감사합니다,
계세요,
선생님.
선생님.
안녕히
Yeah,
주무세요.
안녕히 계세요.
Bye-bye.
안녕히 주무세요,
감사합니다.
선생님.
Bye-bye.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.